Hi guys, I just wanted to include a quick tech video on how to add a Microsoft Excel sheet into a Word document. Some of you may need to do this for your budget or another chart that you created in Excel. And I did a very quick Google search for this, so make sure you're utilizing your resources and doing the research on your own, as well as talking to maybe tech-savvy friends, colleagues, etc. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to open up your Word document, go to Insert, and then go all the way over to Object. You're going to click on Object, and you can see right here that this is highlighted. The Excel 97 through 04 worksheet is highlighted. We'll click From File. I'm going to go up here where my Excel budget example is saved. Click on Budget, Insert, and there is my pre-made budget that I was talking to y'all earlier about. See, with this, I can still edit my, you can see in my Excel document, it will pop up, and I can add things like marketing materials. So I'm still able to edit this document even though it is in Word. So again, it will swap over if I click out of this. So you're able to see in my Microsoft Word document, it did add marketing materials to this. So you are still able to edit this in Excel, especially if you have transferred it over before making all your corrections. So hopefully this has helped give you some information maybe that you weren't familiar with, or if you were, obviously disregard, but please let me know if this helped, and I hope you are all doing well. Thanks.